హలో స్టూడెంట్స్, స్కూల్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయి కదా, బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారా? ఎందుకంటే ఈసారి పక్కా ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటాయి, కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా. లాస్ట్ టైం ఏదో 52% ఫెయిల్ అయినా అందరిని పాస్ చేసేసారు. 10th క్లాస్ ఈసారి ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మ్యాథ్స్ మీద కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసి బాగా చదువుకోండి. ఇది ఎక్సైజ్ 7.1లో 7th ప్రాబ్లం ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో నేను పోస్ట్ చేశాను. ఇప్పుడు 7.1 ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో మీకు కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీలో ప్రాబ్లం 8 ఫస్ట్ బిట్ చేస్తున్నాను. దిస్ ఇస్ first bit of 8th problem. What he has given is, he has given name the type of quadrilateral formed if any by the following points and give the reason for your answer. That means he has given 4 points and you have to find out what type of quadrilateral it is and you have to give the reasons also. Okay, so -1, the problem is first bit -1 2 -2, this is 1 vertex, this let us take it as A. B is 1 0, C is -1 2, D is -3 0, and general formula is x2 minus distance if you want to find out is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, root of that. This is the distance formula. Okay, so I won't take x1, x2, x3, x3. I'll find out AB first. AB, side AB. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square. So 1 minus of 1 will be 1 plus 1 whole square. And 0 minus 2, 0 plus 2 whole square. This will be equal to 2 square, that is 4 plus 4, that is root 8 units. So we'll find out BC. BC will be -1, that is -1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4, 8 units, root 8 units. Okay, and CD will find out. CD is -1 -3 minus of -1 whole square, that will be plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square, that will be 2 square, 4 plus 4, root 8 units. Okay, and we will find out AD. AD will be -3 -1, that is AD we found out, CD we found out, CD, -3 -1, -3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus of -2 plus 2 whole square, that is 4 plus 4, root 8 units. See, if all the sides are equal, it can be a rhombus. But if the diagonals are equal, it will be a square. If all the sides are equal, diagonals are not equal, then it will be rhombus. If diagonals are equal and all the sides are equal, then it will be square. So let us find out those AC, because the rhombus or square or anything will be like this. Now we found out A, B, C, D. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A we found out. Let us find out these two also. AC we will find out. AC is minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square. Minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square. 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. 2 plus 2 whole square. That will be 0 square plus 4 whole square. 16. That is root 16 units. You can write 4 also. Let us find out. You found out AC and let us find out BD. BD is, B is how much? BD minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. This is 4 square, that is equal to 16. So root 16 units. Now root 16 you can write 4 units also. So what can you conclude now? All the sides are equal and also the diagonals are equal. Therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Okay, and AD is equal to AC. Therefore, as all the sides are equal, you have to give the reason. All the sides are equal and diagonals are equal. It is a square. So the reason is this, as all the sides are equal and diagonals are equal, it is a square. So you have to conclude what type of quadrilateral it is. When it is given, when 4 of the 4 vertices are given, you have to find out what geometrical property suits to that, and then you have to write the triangle. It is a rectangle or it is a square. You have to write the name of the quadrilateral by justifying the property. Okay.